Hi everyone, happy Sunday. John Basankin here doing the week 8 post for correlational research. First it says talk about the correlation coefficient, and that's just a number that can range between -1 and +1. When it's negative, it means when one goes up, the other one goes down. When it's positive, when one goes up, the other one goes up. And the greater the absolute value of the correlation coefficient, the better that we can predict based on whatever the input is. The output can be better predicted. And then it says talk about scattergrams or scatter plots. And since I'm a math teacher, I like scatter plots. We actually did this in my class this week. And let me pull up just a couple little examples here. We did a little game where the students started with 15 die, and when they rolled them, if any of them were sixes, they had to pull those sixes off to the side. So if you look at this set right here, 0 is our starting point, so each of them had 15 die in their hands. And then on that first roll, there was 2 sixes, so they pulled out 2, so there was 13 remaining after the first one. And so I plotted that right here in this set. It shows set 1 right here, and it's highlighted over here so you can see it starts with 15 and it works its way down. And we did it 12 rolls each group. And then we did it again for set 2 right here, and it highlights at 0 they still had 15. But if you notice at this one, after 12 rolls they still had 7 die left, and in set 1 they were already down to 2. And then what I did is I overlapped them to show set 1 and set 2 on top of each other here. And in class, we had the iPads going, and there was an app, and you could overlap a whole bunch of these things. We actually had 7 or 8 groups in each class, and believe it or not, when we were all said and done, we actually came up with more of the exponential decay function similar to this. We started with 15, and then it was 0.8, which means it's a decay because it's between 0 and 1. If it was greater than 1, it'd be exponential growth. So we were showing the exponential decay, but the more we did, the more the curve actually came out to a decay that looked like this. And even though we started, they look kind of linear, and now my dogs are going to start barking here because they want to play. But I'll get out of here real quick. So it was really kind of fun that we did this to show the exponential decay, and it was just scatter plots. All right, have a great week. Talk to you later.